Equivalent forms reveal different features of the same function.
Watch the scene unfold first. Mathematical relationships map directly to the physical actions and natural environments around us. But simply having the raw data or a standard equation isn't always enough. Often, the most defining features of the relationship are not immediately apparent in the standard notation. To see these features, we rewrite the exact same relationship into equivalent forms. We reorganize the structure of the equation to highlight specific characteristics. By observing the physical environment and the actions within it, the underlying quantities can be seen before we formally name the mathematics. Since a single equation cannot highlight every property at once, we use mathematical notation as a flexible tool, selecting the specific form that matches our goal. Suppose we need to locate exactly where a function's value zeroes out, like finding the exact points where this heron's physical path intersects the waterline. We need a precise structural tool designed to solve this problem by reorganizing the mathematical pieces. These numeric labels on the reeds show factored form equations marking the intersection points. A factored form explicitly shows the conditions required for each individual piece, each factor, to equal 0. Those zero factor choices give us the exact x values where the function's output is 0. Factored form is useful because it simplifies the standard form equation, allowing us to read a function's zeros directly from the factors.
Now rewrite one quadratic to reveal its maximum. Let g of x equal negative x squared plus 6x plus 7. Factor -1 from the x terms. G of x equals negative. The quantity x squared minus 6x plus 7. Inside x squared minus 6x equals the quantity x minus 3 squared minus 9. Substituting and simplifying gives the complete same function chain. G of x equals negative x squared plus 6x plus 7, which equals negative the quantity x minus 3 squared plus 16. The negative coefficient makes the parabola open downward. Its vertex is 3, 16, so the maximum value is 16, reached when x equals 3. Now rewrite one exponential function to reveal its percent growth. Let h of t equal 800 times 103 over 100, raised to t. Since 103 over 100 equals 1 plus 0.03, which equals 1.03, the complete same function chain is h of t equals 800 times 103 over 100 raised to t equals 800 times the quantity. 1 plus 0.03 raised to t equals 800 times 1.03 raised to t. 800 is the initial value. The factor 1.03 means 100% plus 3% more each year, 3% growth. After 1 year, h of 1 equals 824. Every form gives the same output.
Algebraic equations are flexible descriptions. While we change the form, the physical marsh itself remains exactly the same. The underlying truth of the relationship is constant. Manipulating its written form simply shifts which behavioral traits we can observe at any one time. The environment and the physical actions within it dictate the relationship. Our chosen mathematical notation records it in the way that is most useful for our current goal. Take a look around. Which specific mark in the environment proves the mathematical relationship to you? And how does the natural action of the animals make that mathematical relationship a physical reality? Mastering equivalent forms allows us to choose the most useful perspective for the task at hand. It shows that notation is more than a record of numbers. It's a way to clarify how a relationship actually behaves.
A factor of 1.03 means the quantity grows by 3% each time.